we starting the Rolling Loud vlogs right fucking now, even though we're still in LA, even though we leave in 2 days, because y'all going through the struggle with me, bitch. Y'all going through it.
Hands like bread. I'm original, that's why these bitches can't stand me. Hell no, I ain't classy, more like sassy. Smoking out the bowl like the bitch named Saggy.
I got my Airbnb months ago, like at the end of July, bitch. And here it is, the weekend of Rolling Loud, and these niggas text me, oh, the previous guests are gonna stay, so we just gonna send you your money back. And I'm just like, so where am I supposed to stay? Where? Okay, your girl just went through the fucking ringer, bitch. Like, we just went through the ringer. We found another room for cheap, but it's farther.
Bitch, we're going on this fucking trip. I couldn't sell a stupid ass wristband, but we're fucking going, bitch. We're fucking going. Nobody's running this
shit.
Jokes on me still because Young Thug never even performed.
NYG, period.
bitches already packed, period. Like, nobody's about to ruin this for me, period. I was about to start crying. I got the email. I was like, are you joking? Is this for life? Are you fucking kidding me? But it's okay. It's okay. We will. Bitch, I mean, either way,
What's up, y'all? We out here about to go to the Bay Area. It's fucking lit, bitch. I'm on the way. It's like, oh my god, can I fucking walk? Bitch, I'm walking. Bitch, I'm not walking. That shit said red light as soon as I stepped off the curb. The fuck? But yeah, I'm headed over to Union Station so I can dip. I'm about to have a good weekend. Like, I'm so excited.
talking to myself, and people are looking at me. Ooh, vocals, baby, I'm coming for your spot. All the singers, all of them. We're vlogging for real, like, we gonna try our best. just we gonna try our best. But
What's popping, y'all? Bitch has arrived in the Bay. Hey, it's lit. I'm about to head to my Airbnb. So my room, this is basically it. Give you guys a little tour. There's the mirror. Hello. There's a shelf. Hello. There's a window. There's a fan. There's a desk. There's hangers. And then that's it. It's pretty lit. It's so cute. I'm cute. I love this wig so much. I love short hair myself so much. Clearly, that's why I shaved my head. But I'm about to show wig though. But oh yeah, this is the room. It's already a fucking mess. Like, bitch, the edge control, most important thing, period. And the deodorant. Don't be stank. But water, I have to put this food in the refrigerator. Let me do that, and I'll give you guys out. Open this. This is the outside. Y'all, they fucking lit. They out here. Out here got a garden. And bitch, this is like a weed house. I'm pretty sure. I'm not even pretty sure, bitch. I fucking know because that's my shit. Eat that shit. It's lit. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god, there's like a little nook. A little nook right here. Ooh, this is lit. Oh, bitch. Y'all peep that? Mary. Bitch, I'm not. Can I buy this? I'm in college. Like, do y'all see? I don't know where the fuck I'm at. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Is this even a... Can I walk here? I found a river. This is like a whole ass forest in the school. I'm fucking shook. This is so cool. Bitch, I must be... I don't want to shit myself. Like, I thought this was a real... I'm low-key... I hate statues. This is creepy.
The freaks come out at night when it's dark.
I'm in the dark going crazy. I'm in the dark going 20 past 8. I'm in the dark, it's a movie Scorsese.